Hashmap Megabytes.
Hello and welcome back to Alation Data Catalog and Data Governance Tool Review Series Part 5. In previous video, we looked at adding a data source, namely a relational data source, Snowflake, and extracting metadata from it. We also looked at sampling some of the Snowflake tables so that we can look at the profile of the data. A detailed session for metadata exploration and data sampling exploration will follow. In this video, we will look at adding another data source, which is nothing but a file system. We'll go ahead and click the apps menu, click on the sources, click add here, and click file system. We'll give a quick name to this as demo Alation FS. You can choose different file systems from HDFS, S3, MapR, and Azure. I'll choose Azure for now. I can give a nice description, demo purpose. I'll say add file system. It brings me to the settings page. I'll set the file system as private file system. Again, I can add file system admin here. For now, I've been the person who is adding it. I'm the owner and the file system admin. I'll go on to the general settings. These are by default attributes populated by Alation. I need to enter the storage account name, which I've already keyed in as SFDG storage. Access key, I'll say use share access key. Storage endpoint suffix. Now remember, this is endpoint suffix and not the overall URI or URL. We would recommend to give a path to the file system. I'll give a path as stage web sales raw and hit save. Now again, like we had seen in the database thing, we can have an extraction scheduler which will go and pull this file system regularly. For all intention and purposes, I will not turn this on either on the databases or on the file system while we are in the exploration phase. Now we'll go on to the metadata extraction tab and we can hit run extraction now. There was a minor glitch which I have corrected, but then post hitting the button run extraction now, you can see another job that's running. The status message is extracting files. It has been running for 7 seconds. I refresh. It's now been running for 25 seconds. You can see it uploaded 2025 directories and files, and it has succeeded. Now we'll go to the Alation data source, file system data source here. And we'll click on demo Alation. You'll see the path or the container name here. Click on it. There were raw files in it. Click on it. And you will see a host of files that we had staged earlier. We can go ahead and add stewards to this, saying that who is responsible to manage this file or who will certify this file, but it makes no sense really to add a steward to raw files. We can add domains. We can say that it comes from an e-commerce domain. These are e-commerce files. We can probably add tags to it if at all they are there. Owner, group, and relevant articles. Right now, because these are raw files, we'll probably not add any. and move on. So this is the way you add a file system as a source in Alation. Thank you.
Hashmap Megabytes.